Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add relationship status on your Mico account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Mico application. Now tap on the Me option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the displayed name. Now tap on the paper and pencil icon. There you can find relationship status option. Tap on it. And then check on the option that you prefer. Once you're done, tap on the confirm button. And this is how you can add relationship status on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.